welcome Yudra ki Nikhat, because that is going to be the flame that fuels Yudra's fire. Please join me in welcoming the gorgeous Well, सबसे पहले मुबारक हो.
ज़्यादा सीखे हमारा कोई.
There, he's already in character. He's already playing Yudra. Okay, so Malvika, let me get you up to speed. You know, until now we've been talking. We haven't even seen the trailer yet, okay? So we can't spill any beans because we're going to watch the trailer after one more of our cast members joins us. But before we go there, I want to ask you, tell us something, yeah. Tell us something. We've only seen this poster. There's a lot of blood. There's lollipops. And for some reason, it looks like this man's been up to no good. So please tell us what you can.
Firstly, a very good evening to everyone. So I'll tell you what went on in my head. We shot this film for a while because it's this massive film. We shot all over the place. And when I saw some shots, when I saw a few things recently, a few months back, my first thought was, it's so stylish and it's so slick. And it's something that I, as an audience, haven't seen in a very long time. You know, so it excited me as an audience, not even as a part of the film. So I hope it has the same effect on everyone else watching it. And about Yudra, I think, he's done some pretty intense and cool stuff in the film. I mean, you'll see it very, very soon. But I can't wait for the world to watch all the magic he's created. You know,
you talked about style, but there's style's nothing without substance, right? And substance, I can tell you, again, I'm just reacting with those posters. How do you guys give me such sizzling chemistry on a poster, goddammit? Like, stop it. Like, what, is there a secret to that?
You want to take that answer? मैं जो बोलूँगा गलत होगा.
No, where?
I think it's Ravi sir is magic.
Ravi sir,
yeah.
You are the chemist on this chemistry.
Yes,
Nice.
That's true, though. That's a perfect word.
Nice. So, or rather the alchemist, I would say. So, I know. That's great. Thank you. Thank you for, totally not answering. That question is completely fine. At this point, of course, thank you, Malvika, for joining us. And please stay on the stage. Because up next, of course, I'd like to call talented performer Raghav Juyal. Deserves a round of applause. So let's just start off this. First of all, now it's complete because आपका इंतजार हो रहा था, आप लोग आ गए हैं और इसके बाद हम इनको ट्रेलर दिखाएंगे. अब तक हमने ट्रेलर दिखाया नहीं है दोस्त. अच्छा. अब तक सिर्फ बातें चल रही हैं. तो इनको पता नहीं है कि किस रूप में आने वाले हैं आप. तो इस रूप के बारे में थोड़ी वार्निंग दे दें इनको कि पहली बार देखने वाले हैं, आपको क्या देखेंगे?
यार वार्निंग मैं पहले देना नहीं चाहूँगा. हाँ, क्योंकि वार्निंग दे दी तो उनको पता लग जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है, और वार्निंग जब आती भी है तो बड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है इंसान. सीधे देखो. सीधे देखो. है ना. और बताना कैसा लगा. बहुत मेहनत की यार. बहुत ज़्यादा फिजिकली तो हम जूझे ही हैं इसमें. बहुत कशमकश किए हैं हमने, मगर साइकोलॉजिकली भी बहुत कुछ ऊपर नीचे हुआ है मेरा इस फिल्म के दौरान बिकॉज ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. सो देखिए, बहुत मेहनत की है सबने, बहुत खून पसीना एक किया है. बहुत वक्त जब टीनेजर था तब शुरू की थी फिल्म. अब बड़ा हो गया हूँ. सो yes, देखिए अब बताइए.
I must acknowledge the wonderful year you've been having. Okay. बहुत डराया आपने मुझे. मैं ट्रेन में जाने से डरती हूँ किल के बाद. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, क्योंकि अगर तुम आ जाओगे वहाँ पे तो मुझे डर लगेगा, right? Are you having fun scaring people? You're doing it again?
I'm doing it again. I think I'm not. Yeah, I have fun. Yeah, actually. मतलब मजा है विलन में. एक फील है. हाँ, वो तो इसलिए.
The reason why this is so much fun is because I have watched this trailer. It is so fantastic, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it. So, shall we actually show it to them?
Let's go.
All right, guys. So we're going to step aside and give us